videos. My name is Scarlett and this is Skye. And today we're going to be doing an unboxing. Before we start, you're going to subscribe, hit the notification button, and like.
And share our video.
Share this video with your friends and your family and all kinds of other people. So subscribe. Do it now. You know what to do.
Okay, let's close our eyes. What the heck?
Galaxy's Ooz-os. Recommended for 12 and up. We're not 12, but we're just gonna help each other out. Make slimy spheres with oozing center. Great! This sounds right up our alley. Help me.
I'm gonna scratch it.
Okay.
Now let's lay it down.
Wow. Big crowd.
What? I'm gonna do it as hard as I can. I can't believe it. Did you see that? We must stop.
Okay, leave it. So we have a spoon, a popsicle stick, some activator, powder, dye, a scoop, some sparkles. For this part, we're gonna use the base, the bowl, the 8 ounces of water, and the fork. Okay guys, we gotta wait 1 hour for the base to dissolve or whatever it's gonna do. And that's a game of Romeo. So we're gonna play Romeo. See you in an hour. I'm back, I won the game. Let's get back to it. This is what it's gonna look like. It cleared up. It's supposed to look very gluish. Okay guys, the second part is to divide the mixture into 3 equal parts. Okay, we're gonna pour the water. And this is the activator. And stir until activator dissolves. Okay, let's make our Ooz-os. And now we're gonna swirl, swirl, swirl until they're made. That's how it looks like. Here are our little baby Ooz-os. This one's really cool. I like this one. We're done the hard part. Now it's time for the easy part.
I'm grabbing this one.
I'm grabbing my baby one. My baby. It's like kind of like slime inside. Guys, it's slime! I love slime so much, guys. Oh my gosh.
It's a slime.
A sticky slime. 2, 3. Oh, I didn't even. Oh
my god.
I squirted it right out of the container. Ew, look at that. Oh, sorry, Skye, sorry. That's a messy situation there. It's throwing up.
Ew! Full up slime.
Oh, if you put water into it, it turns like a slime. Oh my gosh. Bye guys, I hope you have a great slimy day. I don't mean it. I mean like, have a great day. That's what I mean.